Hey guys, how you doing? You know, recently I turned 50, and I've been thinking, and I have some thoughts about riding and getting older. So let's get on this lowrider ST and talk about it. Hey everyone, this is Ty. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me today. Appreciate it very, very much. So we're talking about getting older and riding motorcycles. You know, as in the intro I mentioned, I just recently turned 50, and it was really cool because my wife asked me, she was like, well, what do you want to do for your birthday? So of course I was kind of just, you know, him-hawing around, I don't know, maybe this, maybe that. So she asked me this question: you want to go to Vegas? She asked me if I wanted to go to Vegas. Of course I want to go to Vegas. I love Vegas.
Ah, Vegas! Vegas, baby, Vegas!
So she got everything squared away. We packed up and took off, and it was fantastic. We stayed at the Cosmopolitan. We ate sushi at this little conveyor belt thing. You guys seen the Pawn Stars on History Channel or whatever? We went there. We got to hang out. We oh my gosh, we did so many stuff. We went to Harley Davidson in Las Vegas, and that was a good treat. We got to stop in there and hang out with those guys for a little while. Just tons of fun. Just a great time. We had a fantastic time. But so anyway, back to the topic at hand. So, you know, you got to think about these things. You start getting older, you like riding motorcycles.
I'm sorry, I used to be much stronger.
Are there certain things that we can do to mitigate the aging process? And are there certain things we can do to make our motorcycle riding more comfortable? So let's go through a quick list of some things that I've thought of. And you guys let me know after you hear this list whether you agree, disagree, or if you have anything else in mind. One of the first things I would say is, even before you get on your motorcycle, stretch it out. Right, stretch out your legs, stretch out your arms, give your shoulders a nice stretch along with your back and that type of thing, especially if you're going to be putting a couple of hours or more in the saddle. Stretch it out. You know, you don't want to get older and pull a hammy. What are you going to do if you pull a hammy? Then you're never going to be able to ride your motorcycle, or at least for a long time. So topic number one, or tip number one, stretch it out before you get on your motorcycle. All right, something else. How about this right here? This is something I'm trying to incorporate into my daily life, and that is exercise. You know, your body is designed a specific way, and it does really, really good when you exercise and try to push your body in certain areas. I mean, it reduces stress, it helps you sleep better, you get a little older, it helps reduce your blood pressure. There's just so many benefits to exercise, and I think it is really important, and it does take some self-discipline to do it every day, but put it on the list. It just might help you out. I know it has me. Oh man, let's not forget about this one, riding posture. Holy cow. I mean, we were talking about stretching, but even if you stretch and you've got a horrible riding posture, or your seat and your handlebars are just giving you fits, then you're going to be miserable. And so that's one of the things I would say, is make sure your riding posture is in check. You know, get a seat that is really comfortable. Get handlebars, risers, whatever you need to keep yourself from being stretched out too much, and where you're just comfortable in the shoulders and in the neck. I mean, especially when you get older, if you're like me and you suffer from a couple of shoulder injuries and that type of thing, man, that just makes all the difference in the world. So if you got to get you a new seat, think of that riding posture, make all the edits and changes to whatever configuration you need to. That one is a biggie in my opinion. Here's what I say, guys. Riding motorcycles is supposed to be a super wonderful and enjoyable experience. It certainly is for me, and I hope it is for you guys as well. But you know, I'm sure there'll come a point in all of our lives where we've got to make the determination if we're going to press on, or are we going to trade in 2 wheels for 4 and get that Corvette we've always dreamed of, right? My wife and I talk about that all the time. Corvette, let's go get one. So anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope it's given you something to think about. I appreciate your time very much. If you would, please like and subscribe. I hope you guys have an excellent day, and we'll talk to you again soon.